In another small step for mankind, footage from the Apollo 11 moon landing has been digitally remastered.
And we're getting a picture on the TV.
Led by astronomer John Sarkissian, a team of scientists from Australia and from NASA took 6 years to create the 2.5-hour-long video.
We discovered lots of really good video recordings of the broadcast, what people actually saw in their homes. And we've taken the best of those recordings and compiled them into a single 2.5-hour video.
We came in peace for all mankind. It has the crew members' signatures and the signature of the President of the United States.
For example, at the beginning of the broadcast, there was a lot of, the tape was very damaged of Armstrong coming down the ladder, and so the restorers had to work manually, frame by frame, cleaning up all the damage to the tape and so on, to restore it to as pristine a condition as possible.
Okay, Neil, we can see you coming down the ladder now.
Hello, Neil and Buzz. I'm talking to you by telephone from the Oval Room at the White House.
Oh, geez, that's great. Is the lighting halfway decent? Yes, indeed.
We believe that what we have now is a superior quality. We don't want to give the impression that it's HD quality TV or even broadcast quality, but it is better than what was previously available.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.